Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by claiming positional advantage, move to her side and force short swings. Once done, use tiny sprint cancels to bait the 1 or 2 swing combos and learn the timing for her thrust follow. Keep your flask ready, drink the wondrous physic only at the first real opening to maximize uptime. You must be patient early. You trade small hits while saving major heals. This sets the rhythm and teaches you her attack cadence. Now focus on exploiting brief recovery windows. After her long lunges or waterfowl dance, step in for 2 to 4 heavy hits then back off. Make sure to time your commitment so you can escape her follow-ups. Once you land, immediately create distance. If you have high poise or stance damage options, use them to shorten exchanges and force flinches. Keep applying bleed or rot at a measured pace, because sustained buildup chips her health and pressures phase transitions. In the endgame, conserve your highest damage tools until her last health quarter so you can finish quickly. Once she begins a heal or a long casting animation, bait with a single defensive dodge and then commit to a heavy punish. This is your decisive window. If you ever get overwhelmed, reset by creating space, heal, and reapply bleed or rot before re-engaging. This prevents spiral deaths and lets you regain control. It is often the key to success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.